Are you looking for a high quality, medium density compression fitting you can install with confidence? This is the LSA ND compression fitting. These fittings are a European manufactured fitting and have 40 years of proven reliability around the globe. The LSA range was in fact the first fittings Waterworks imported and distributed in New Zealand. Firstly, to touch on standards, the LSA fittings have a large range of certification. In fact, they are the world's most certified MD compression fitting. Some key standards, the certifications they hold are the ASNZS 4129, ASNZS 4020, Watermark and DVGW. Only certified raw materials are used in the construction of these fittings to suit harsh environments, including UV resistance and applications with sub-zero temperatures. They have a longer than normal cap nut thread, which makes installation easier, particularly on the larger fittings, as it's easier to get the compression nut started onto the thread. They're very easy to install, and Waterworks has developed a unique seal for sizes 63 to 110, which is designed to provide a reliable seal as well as making the installation easier, particularly on large sizes. The LSA range has a large number of BSP thread configurations in both male and female options, which makes the range very versatile and cuts down the number of reducers required to adapt in a specific application. They also have an integrated seal, which means that when you insert the pipe, there is enough friction to give you a reliable seal, and you're not dependent on the cap nut being tightened right up to give a positive seal. This means the fitting is not susceptible to leakage if the cap nut isn't done right up to the end of the thread and in the event of ground movement or vibration. Some applications they are suitable for are your general water reticulation, such as a farm water supply, your irrigation, compressed air, chemical solutions, or slurries or effluent. They're available in sizes 20mm through to 110. All sizes are pressure rated to 16 bar or 232 psi. It's easy, it's reliable, it's durable, it's proven, you can trust it. Check out the range on our website or contact our team today.